What's up, foodie friends? Tonight I'm at King's Beer House for their crawfish. I just look at this.
Crawfish time!
Crawfish time! Alright! I'm going to a beer house for crawfish. That is something. This is the first time for me.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll grab it.
Alright. Awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'll follow you. Alright, thank you. Yeah, this is better. Let's see. That's where this place. Probably in the corner over there.
I'll be sitting over there.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
She's 6 months. Alright, so what do we have today?
What do you have today?
We got crawfish. First day of the season.
Alright, gonna set up my lights. Be back. Alright, the crawfish is here. Alright, oh yeah. There's Rachel. Oh, I can see you. Time to eat. Ah, yay. It's a right tray over here, yes. Thank you. I think I ordered 3 pounds and I'm not that hungry, so let's see how it goes. All right. What's up, foodie friends? Tonight I'm at kind of alright, cut. What's up, foodie friends? Tonight I'm at King's Beer House trying out their crawfish and beer, of course. And I got 3 pounds of crawfish, Polish sausage, and extra butter. Let's see how it goes. Hup, hup, hup. 3 pounds. I got 3 pounds of crawfish. This might be a mistake, but hey, let's see how it goes. So, it's actually not too spicy and it's pretty good. It's not spicy. It's like not Cajun spicy, but still really good. Sausage, best sausage ever for crawfish. So, what makes you wanna do crawfish? Like, just because?
Oh, they wanted to try it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Crawfish and beer,
Yeah.
perfect combination, right? Potatoes.
It's
All
big
good.
ass.
Potato. Really? This is like crawfish mukbang with me. Ah, it's hard holding up. Good luck. Whew. Vertical like this.
Wide?
Or horizontal, I don't know. Let me see. Trying to take picture here. Man, I should have just ordered 2 pounds. This is too much.
Pounds a lot.
Too much. We ate. Well, I mean, we ate a little bit before this, so that was a mistake. Oh shit! The butter is solidifying.
How old is Luna now?
6 months.
6 months?
Mhm.
Dang, dude.
Time flies.
I know.
King's Beer House. Woo. Man, how the hell am I struggling to open it? Did I lose my touch? It's kind of cold. The bar is solid now.
Oh, because it's cold outside.
Yeah. Woo! Thanks, sir. Boom. Almost there. Woo. Almost there. 1.5 left, maybe. You don't need crawfish in the cold. The butter gets hard. I'm actually enjoying this. This is good. Some good crawfish.
Alright, man.
Alright, see you around.
See ya.
Let me know about the egg house.
I'll send y'all a message.
Holy shit.
Oh, yeah. On a Friday night.
At least there's
Don't
no
drive to
crawfish.
Spring at night.
Of course.
Eat crawfish
Get
instead.
crawfish. Yes. Get crawfish instead.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Oh, wait, I'm still here.
Okay.
Alright, almost there. Almost there. No more sausage. I eat all the sausages. No. It's still kind of small, but it's still pretty good. That was all salt. Enggak. Cuma $52 kredit, tuh. Nah, itu dia.
Gue nggak beli barang, ada yang beli barang gue. Jadi gimana sih? Jadi kita gue beli barang, kayak gue jual barang.
This is really good. Coffee. All right, almost finished it. Last few bites. Whew. That was good. That was good. Well, that's it for tonight. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and like. Say it right. Boop. All right. Okay. Well, that's it for tonight. Finish all 3 pounds of crawfish at King's Beer House. Make sure you subscribe, follow, and comment. See you next time. Woo!